you joking? This is a joke. This is supposed to be my big entrance. Get lost, mate. Move it.
I've come to Anglesey in Wales to find out if drones could really replace the white van man. But what a white van man. At the wheel with me, world rally driver Elfyn Evans. And here's the enemy. And it's steely-eyed pilot James Bowles, the first UK drone racing champion. Are the days of the white van man numbered?
So, gentlemen, what we do is we pick up all of our goods here at the depot and then we drop off here, here and here. And basically the first person to complete all 3 deliveries and make it back to the depot is the winner. Simple as that. Any questions?
No, non sono neonivi.
Absolutely, Elfyn. Couldn't agree more. James?
You do realise I don't need any of this map. I just need to go straight there.
Yes, James, but do you also realise that you can only carry 1 item at a time? So you're going to have to go to each delivery point, come back and pick up the next item, whereas Elfyn and I can carry all 3 items simultaneously. And as I say in racing circles, may the parcel force be with you.
Welcome to Anglesey Racetrack, the battlefield for our delivery. Each team has 3 items to deliver round the track to 3 customers and their invisible houses. Looks simple on paper, it's van versus drone. And they're off. Romesh grabs items like a crazed IKEA shopper on Boxing Day. Plenty of room in that van. And it's James off the ground first.
OK, let's go. How you feeling, you good?
Green, ouder groot niet.
Oh, totally, mate. I couldn't agree with you more.
Good drop.
But that's not breakable. James makes the first drop with no sign of Romesh.
You want a crisp?
Drop pizza. Still edible though.
Good a little bit.
James is clearly in the lead on his way back to the depot. Nice stop, Elfyn. Romesh and his 12-inch cheese feast are on their way to door number 1.
Hello, triple meaty cheese feast.
That's it, cheers, mate.
Enjoy, mate. Have a good one.
That's the flowers attached. Nice to see the items in the van are secure. There goes James and his second delivery.
Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? Oh my God, there they are. Uh-oh.
It's neck and virtual neck going into the next drop. This is exciting stuff as Romesh arrives first and takes the lead. And of course, he can personalise the delivery.
Hello, mate. These are for you. Happy anniversary or whatever it is. You look gorgeous. Thank you very much. Cheers, bye. Okay, let's go.
James straight in with his second delivery. But it's just drop and go, and now he's lagging behind.
X Factor's coming back.
He's playing white van man to perfection. And with the drone back at the depot, Romesh has a clear lead.
Oh, mate, what is this? Are you joking, mate? Dude!
Uh-oh, Romesh is in trouble. Unbelievable. This could be James' chance to come back.
He's losing his patience. You don't want to see him when he's lost it. Look, I can't control him when he's like this. Finally, thank you, mate. Nice one.
No roadworks in the sky, giving James valuable time.
Let's go.
Race is on. This is so close.
Good drop.
There go the groceries, but like Romesh's dreams, they could be crushed.
Let's do it, mate. Come on. Come on, mate.
With the drone in the lead, Romesh arrives at the final doorstep.
Oh, man.
Time for more of that personal touch.
Hello, sir. Here you go. Enjoy your stuff. Have a great day.
Romesh's final delivery has been made, and it's a race to the finish. The future of the white van is in Romesh's hands.
Come on! Yes, mate! Woo! Victory! Victory is ours! Mate, it's embarrassing. It is embarrassing. You came with drone. Elfyn and I absolutely smashed it, mate. You got rinsed. You got done over.
Oh, come on, it was so close. Drones are the future.
I don't think so. They're clearly not, mate. White van, Elvin, me, absolutely nailed it. I think we've conclusively proven drones are done. Done, mate. Finished.